How to group and ungroup in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can group and ungroup in Figma. In order to do so, first of all, open your Figma application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here at the top right, you'll be able to locate the create button. You can simply click on this create button and then a pop-up will appear. From here you can click on this design option in order to go to the canvas section. Or else you may also open any of the recent designs from your draft. Here I'm going to select my recent designs. Double click on your recent design to reach to the canvas page. And once you reach to this canvas or the editing page, now here locate the object. In order to group this object, now you just simply need to select the layers first, then press on Ctrl+G key from your keyboard in order to group it. Once doing that, at the top right, you will be able to see you have successfully grouped it. Now, if you would like to ungroup it, you just simply need to first select the object and then press on Ctrl+Backspace key. By doing so, you'll be able to ungroup it. So this is how you can group and ungroup in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.